Hi friends, today we are going to make quail roast. Quail, this is quail. In Tamil we call it kadai. These are the quails. It's one bird, so I have got 6 birds here. Quail. These are the ingredients needed for the quail roast. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, lemon, squeezed lemon juice from 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, spicy powder, red chili powder, and this is salt, just enough needed for this. So I'm going to mix all of these ingredients in a plate and then apply on these quails. I have made slits. I have washed it with turmeric, cleaned, and then I have made slits also here. So I'm going to apply this marination mixed in a bowl, and I'm going to apply on these quails, and I'm going to let it to marinate for 1 hour, and then we are going to roast it in coconut oil. I'm not going to deep fry these, but I'm going to shallow fry these quails. I'll show you how to make this. So I have added coconut oil to this pan, and I have placed the quail in that marinated quail. I marinated it overnight, and then I'm making it today. So once you place it in the coconut oil, just let it to cook for about 3 minutes, and then get to the other side. So if you see the nice brown color. It takes little more time than chicken, even though this is small bird. So just keep it in medium heat and then cook it in low flame like for a long time. So as you see, I'm not deep frying it. Some people like it deep fried. I'm not deep frying it today. You can if you want to. That's for the health. I'm not deep frying. This should be enough. So after 3 minutes, I'm going to cover and then cook it for 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, I'm going to take it out, take out the lid, and then flip it. So like that, I'm going to cook it for another 20 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, I opened and I flipped it. So now if you see, the quail is all nicely roasted. So if you see, it's brown everywhere. See, it's brown everywhere because I was flipping it constantly. So it got brown everywhere, and it's cooking also. The only thing is, like, if you flip it here, this is the breast part, and it takes little time to cook. So always like make sure it's touching the pan and oil. So I'm scooping up the liquid, the masala that's in the bottom, and then I'm pouring it on top of it again, so that all the slits, it enters into the slit. Trust me, this tastes so good. You don't have to deep fry it. Only thing is, the skin might get a little crispier when you deep fry it, but this way, this tastes so good because we sauteed it first a little bit in oil for some time in open pan, and then we covered and cooked. So it let some water, and that water was enough for it to cook. And again the last 10 minutes you have to open the pan and then roast it in low. So that's when you get this beautiful brown color everywhere, and the meat gets so juicy and tender too. I added about like 4 tablespoons of coconut oil for these 6 quails. And I added 1 or 2 teaspoons of coconut oil when I marinated the quails. So it's done now. When you deep fry it, all of these masalas will actually get into the oil and the oil becomes orange color. See, I did not add any food coloring to this. The natural Kashmiri red chili color itself gives this beautiful brown color. So make sure at this point the quails are cooking in low flame because we don't want this masala to get burned and then it gives that burnt smell in the quails. So make sure when it's cooking you can keep it in medium, but when it's roasting keep it in low and cook it for a long time. That's when you get it. Even if I leave this very low for a long time, 5 more minutes, it gets a little crispier on the top. So that's it. Now I'm going to add chopped cilantro. I like to add a lot of cilantro for this recipe. You can make the chicken also in the same way. So this chicken, I asked my husband where he got it. He got it from the Oriental store actually. Chinese Oriental store, he got it. So when I went to Chicago last time, I got quails. Quails won't stay good in the freezer for a long time like chicken, so it was not good. I got the frozen quails from Chicago. It was not that good. Maybe I didn't know how to choose the quail or something. It was not expired, but the quails were very tough on the skin. But these quails are very good. He got it in the Oriental store. So you can look for it in the Chinese or Oriental store nearby. So I like this cilantro sticking to this quails. When you eat it, this will be very tasty. So that's it. Quails are ready. Thank you.